Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we'll just unlock the device less than in 1/2 This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggested to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.